You walk into a room without saying a word. No loud voice, no expensive clothes, no trying to impress anyone. Yet somehow, people notice you. Conversations become quieter. People look your way. And when you finally speak, people actually listen. What creates that kind of presence? It isn't confidence that you fake. It isn't aggression. And it definitely isn't trying to dominate everyone around you. It's 5 tiny behaviors that communicate confidence before you even say a sentence. I used to think respect came from being louder, smarter, or more successful. I was wrong. Once I changed 5 simple habits, people started responding to me differently. So today, I'm going to reveal those 5 habits, from the easiest to the most powerful, and the last one can completely change how people perceive you. Number 1. Stop making yourself smaller. Watch people who feel insecure. Their shoulders collapse, their head drops, their movements become small. It's almost like their body is saying, "Please don't notice me." Now compare that with someone who naturally commands attention. Their posture is open, their head is up, their shoulders are relaxed, not stiff, not arrogant, just comfortable occupying space. Your posture sends signals before your words ever arrive. So the next time you enter a room, don't shrink yourself. Stand naturally. Lift your head. Relax your shoulders. Take up your normal space. You aren't trying to look powerful. You're showing that you're comfortable being there. Number 2, stop rushing. This is one of the easiest changes you can make. Watch someone who feels nervous. Fast walking, fast talking, fast movements, constantly checking the phone, interrupting conversations. Now watch someone who feels completely comfortable. Their movements are controlled. Their speech has pauses. They don't behave as if every second is an emergency. That difference matters. Rushing can communicate nervousness. Calm movement communicates control. So slow down. Walk a little more deliberately. Speak clearly. Pause before answering. And don't be afraid of a 2-second silence. A pause doesn't make you look weak. It can make your words feel more deliberate. Number 3, master comfortable eye contact. You don't need to stare. In fact, staring can make people uncomfortable. Instead, practice staying present when someone speaks. Look at their eyes. Listen. Briefly look away naturally. Then reconnect. The message is simple. I am comfortable talking to you. Many people avoid eye contact because their mind is busy thinking, do I look nervous? Am I saying the right thing? Where should I look? Stop monitoring yourself. Focus on the person in front of you. When you genuinely pay attention, eye contact becomes natural, and natural confidence is far more powerful than forced confidence. Number 4, become the person who doesn't need to win every conversation. This one is huge. Someone disagrees with you. You immediately want to prove your point. Someone criticizes you. You feel the need to defend yourself. Someone misunderstands you. You start explaining everything. But powerful people don't need to win every little battle. Sometimes the strongest response is, I understand your point. That's it. You don't have to turn every disagreement into a competition. You don't have to correct every opinion. You don't have to prove your intelligence every 5 minutes. When you stop desperately seeking approval, your presence changes. People begin to sense that your confidence doesn't depend on winning. Number 5. Learn the power of silence. This is where everything comes together. Imagine a room full of people arguing. Everyone is speaking. Everyone has an opinion. Everyone wants attention. Then one person simply listens. No interruptions, no unnecessary reactions, no desperate attempt to be noticed. And when the conversation finally settles, that person says one clear sentence. Suddenly, everyone listens. Why? Because attention is valuable. If you constantly talk, your words can become background noise. But when you speak selectively, people notice the difference. Silence gives your words weight. The goal isn't to become cold or distant. The goal is to become intentional. Speak when you have something useful to add. Listen when listening is more valuable. And don't feel pressured to fill every empty second with noise. Because real confidence doesn't constantly announce itself. It doesn't need to shout, "Look at me." It simply exists. So remember these 5 habits. 1. Stand like you belong in the room. 2. Slow down and move with control. 3. Use comfortable eye contact. 4. Stop trying to win every conversation. 5. Let silence make your words more meaningful. And here's the deeper lesson. Respect doesn't begin with controlling other people. It begins with controlling yourself, your posture, your pace, your attention, your reactions, your words. When you become comfortable with yourself, you stop begging the world to notice you. And strangely enough, that's often when the world starts noticing you. If this changed the way you think about confidence, subscribe for more psychology and human behavior videos.